Here's a recipe for kale and sweet potato soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, 2 sweet potatoes, peeled and chopped into 1-inch pieces, 6 cups vegetable or chicken broth, 1 bunch kale, stems removed and leaves chopped, salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions: heat olive oil in a large soup pot over medium heat. Add chopped onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add smoked paprika, cumin, cinnamon, and ginger and stir for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add sweet potatoes and broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until sweet potatoes are tender, about 20 minutes. Add chopped kale and simmer until wilted, about 5 minutes. Remove soup from heat and let it cool slightly. Use an immersion blender or transfer soup to a blender and blend until smooth. Return soup to the pot and reheat over medium heat. Season with salt and pepper, to taste. Serve hot and enjoy. Optional, you can also garnish the soup with some croutons or a dollop of sour cream for added flavor and texture.